And we are back. Number 7. What sentence shows how Melodious is willing to help others? A. And when the singing contest rolled around, Melodious encouraged every off-key songbird in the state. Could be. So we could put an M next to it for maybe. B. She was so small that her mama and papa put her to bed in a sunflower seed shell. Nope, that's not helping in any way. B is not our answer. C. It was her sweet voice, though, that got people talking. People talking is not helping, so C is not our answer. And D. Without Melodious, the whole town was sad. And that's not helpful in any way, so D is not our answer. Our answer here is A. The A in our Unreal Strategy stands for answer the question, and the L stands for look back for evidence, which we did both of those. We answered the questions, and then we went back into our passage and we found our text evidence. So before we move on to our next passage and the Unreal Strategies for that one, we are going to do a brain break.